litter here. This one was born 4 days ago. Hey. Hey. Here's Mama. Here's Mama. Hi, honey. Hey, honey. Hey. With this litter here, I'm gonna try to keep them with the rest of them. See how they do. So far so good. They haven't been getting picked on or anything like that. And everybody just kind of keeps their distance from the sow and the piglets. So far it's working pretty good. This litter here is 5 days old. They were born the day before the other one. We got the sow and the piglets separated in their own stall. So far, they've all made it. They're all strong. They're all doing great. So, depending on how those do out in the other stall, with the rest of them, we might try it next time with all of them. Hopefully out on pasture when it's warmer outside, and just have some farrowing huts out on the pasture. So we'll see. Hey, big mama. Hey, big mama. Hey. Here's another litter we had. This one is 6 days old. It was one day before the previous one. So yeah, we had 3 litters in a row. Happened pretty quick. This one's got 10 right now, but there's one that I don't think will make it. It's just not doing very well. But so far so good. We got this litter in a separate stall also with the sow. So yeah, I guess, like I said earlier, depending on how they all do out there with the rest of them, will make be a deciding factor on how we farrow from now on. So yeah, got a lot of work ahead of us. Got a lot of pigs to take care of, and yep. But the most important thing for us, the reason for us raising these is to preserve the breed, because they are going. There's not very many of this breed left. There's less than 200 registered breeding stock of this breed in America, and we have 3 and soon to be 6 of them. So there's not a whole lot. I'm trying to save them, trying to find other people who are interested in raising them, and any of the piglets that are not up to standard for breeding will be turned into pork, and their pork has won a lot of awards here in the U.S. So it's real good meat. It's a real dark, rich red meat with good marbling. So whatever is not up to standard for breeding, that's what happens to the other ones. So she's a really good sow. She stopped eating halfway through her meal just to feed her babies. It's a good mama right there. Here's the 8 other ones. They're about close to 5 months old now. So they're separated from the rest of them. Bub's the boar. Try to handle them a lot when they're young so that they don't hate us and aren't scared of us, and they're less aggressive when they get older. So they're pretty good pigs. Huh? Aren't ya? Yeah. There's Wimbledon. He's our big boar. He's the one that got all 3 of them sows pregnant. He's a nice guy too. He helps me spread hay. He's big though. Well, there you go. There's our pigs. That's what we've been up to lately. If you're interested in buying any, let me know. Or if you know anybody that's interested in raising any and protecting the breed or anything like that, we'll deliver all the way across the United States for the right price. So hit me up.